Hazrat Taus states that he heard Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu that when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform tahajjud prayer during the night, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to supplicate thus: O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, all praise is due to you. You are the light of the heavens and the earth. All praise is due to you. You are the sustainer of the heavens and the earth. All praise is due to you. You are the Lord of the heavens and the earth, and all whatever is in both of them. You are true. Your promise is fact. Your word is true. Your vision is a fact. Paradise is a fact. Hell is a fact. The Prophets alayhi salam are a fact. And the hour is a fact. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I submit myself to you. In you I believe. In you I repose my trust. To you I turn. With your support I fight with enemies. To you I entrust my affairs. So pardon me for what I did in the past, sent forward, or I will do in the future, left behind, and what I did secretly and what I did openly. You are my God, and there is no worthy of worship save you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7499.